How to Start and Grow a Business, a Practical Guide to Success, presented by Murphy Publication. Introduction. Starting a business is an exciting journey filled with opportunities and challenges. Whether you're dreaming of launching a small side hustle or building a multi-million-dollar enterprise, understanding the fundamentals of entrepreneurship is key to your success. This guide will walk you through the essential steps, from developing a business idea to growing it sustainably. Let's dive into this practical roadmap to starting and scaling a successful business. Chapter 1. Developing your business idea. 1.1 Identifying opportunity. The first step in starting a business is finding the right idea. A good business idea solves a problem, meets a need, or improves upon existing solutions. You can discover opportunities by asking questions like, what are common pain points in your industry? What skills or experiences do you have that could be turned into a business? What gaps exist in the market that others haven't filled? 1.2 Validating your idea. Before investing time and money into your idea, it's crucial to test its viability. You can do this by conducting market research, speaking with potential customers, and analyzing the competition. Key validation techniques include surveys and interviews. Get direct feedback from your target audience. Competitive analysis. Study the strengths and weaknesses of competitors. Minimal viable product. MVP. Create a simplified version of your product or service and gauge customer interest. 1.3 Choosing a business model. A business model outlines how your company will generate revenue. Some common business models include product-based, selling physical or digital products; service-based, offering expertise or labor; subscription, charging customers a recurring fee for continuous access; freemium, offering basic services for free while charging for premium features. Chapter 2. Crafting a business plan. 2.1 Why a business plan matters. A business plan is a blueprint for your company's future. It helps you clarify your goals, understand your target market, and outline your strategies for growth. It's also crucial for attracting investors or securing loans. 2.2 Key components of a business plan. Executive summary. A concise overview of your business, including your mission, product, and goals. Market analysis. A detailed examination of your industry, target market, and competitors. Marketing strategy. How you plan to attract and retain customers. Operations plan. The logistics of running your business: production, delivery, and staffing. Financial projections. Revenue forecasts, expenses, and break-even analysis. 2.3 Setting SMART goals. SMART goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. These objectives guide your business in the right direction and help you track progress. For instance, instead of setting a vague goal like increase sales, a SMART goal would be increase sales by 20% in the next 6 months through social media advertising. Chapter 3. Financing your business. 3.1 Understanding startup costs. For launching, you need to know how much capital is required. Consider costs such as product development, manufacturing, research, and design. Operational expenses, rent, utilities and equipment. Marketing and sales, website development, advertising and promotions. Legal and administrative fees, permits, licenses, and accounting services. 3.2 Funding options. There are several ways to finance your business. Some of the most common options include self-funding, bootstrapping, using your personal savings to start your business; loans, bank loans or government-backed small business loans; investors, venture capitalists or angel investors who provide funds in exchange for equity; crowdfunding, raising small amounts of money from a large number of people through platforms like Kickstarter or GoFundMe. 3.3 Managing cash flow. Cash flow management is critical for the survival of your business. Keep track of your cash inflows, revenue, and outflows, expenses to avoid running out of money. Tools like budgeting software or working with an accountant can help you stay on top of your finances. Chapter 4. Legal and regulatory considerations. 4.1 Choosing a business structure. The legal structure you choose affects your taxes, liability, and business operations. Common structures include sole proprietorship, a simple structure where you own and control the business, but bear all liability; partnership, shared ownership and liability with one or more partners; limited liability company LLC, a hybrid structure offering personal liability protection with the tax benefits of a partnership; corporation, a separate legal entity that offers strong liability protection but requires more regulatory compliance. 4.2. Registering your business. Once you've chosen your business structure, register your company with the appropriate government bodies. You'll need a business name that is unique and aligns with your brand, an employer identification number (EIN) for tax purposes, any necessary permits or licenses, depending on your industry and location. 4.3. Understanding taxes. Tax obligations vary based on your business structure and location. Generally, you'll need to handle income taxes, federal, state, and sometimes local taxes on profits. Sales taxes. If you sell products, you may need to collect sales tax from customers. Employee taxes. Payroll taxes for any staff you hire. Chapter 5. Building a strong brand. 5.1. Defining your brand. Your brand is more than just your logo, it's your company's identity and the promise you make to your customers. Strong branding creates customer loyalty and differentiates you from competitors. Define your brand by considering mission and vision. What is your business's purpose, and what do you aspire to achieve? Target audience. Who are you serving, and what do they care about? Unique selling proposition. USP. What makes your product or service different from others? 5.2. Creating a brand identity. Once you've defined your brand, translate it into visual and written elements. This includes logo and colors. Design a logo that reflects your brand values and choose colors that evoke the right emotions. Tone of voice. Develop a consistent style for all written content, whether formal, casual, or playful. 5.3. Building an online presence. In today's digital age, an online presence is essential. Key steps include website. Create a user-friendly website that showcases your products or services. Social media. Establish profiles on platforms where your target audience spends time. Content marketing. Build a blog or create videos that provide value to your audience. Chapter 6. Marketing and customer acquisition. 6.1. Crafting a marketing strategy. Marketing is how you attract customers and build your brand. Start by identifying your target audience and determining the best channels to reach them. Key marketing strategies include social media marketing. Engage with customers through platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Content marketing. Share valuable content through blogs, podcasts, or videos. Email marketing. Build an email list and send targeted campaigns to nurture leads. Search engine optimization (SEO). Optimize your website to appear higher in search engine results. 6.2. Networking and partnerships. Network is a powerful tool for growing your business. Attend industry events, join business groups, and build relationships with potential partners or mentors. Collaboration with other businesses can also help you tap into new markets. 6.3. Customer retention. Acquiring new customers is important, but retaining them is even more valuable. Focus on delivering excellent customer service, asking for feedback, and creating loyalty programs to keep customers coming back. Chapter 7. Scaling and growing your business. 7.1. Expanding your product line. As your business grows, consider expanding your offerings to serve more customers. You can do this by adding complementary products or services, exploring new markets or demographics, offering premium or customizable versions of existing products. 7.2. Hiring and delegating. Once your business reaches a certain size, you may need help managing operations. Start by hiring employees or outsourcing tasks to freelancers. Delegating responsibilities frees up your time to focus on strategy and growth. 7.3. Monitoring key metrics. Track your business's performance using key metrics such as revenue growth. Measure how quickly your sales are increasing. Customer acquisition cost. CAC. The amount you spend to acquire a new customer. Customer lifetime value. CLV. The total revenue you can expect from a customer over their relationship with your business. 7.4. Adapting to changing business landscape is constantly evolving. Stay agile by continuously assessing your strategies, listening to customer feedback, and staying informed about industry trends. Being adaptable ensures you can navigate challenges and seize new opportunities. Conclusion. Starting and growing a business requires determination, strategy, and continuous learning. By following the steps outlined in this guide, developing your idea, crafting a business plan, building your brand, marketing effectively, and scaling sustainably, you can turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality. Success won't happen overnight, but with perseverance and the right approach, you'll be well on your way to building a thriving business. Best of luck on your entrepreneurial journey. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, keep learning and growing.